Uncle, auntie, I'm still talking about people that are covering events. The bridal dance, the one that the bride and groom used to hold dance, the slow music. First, when they are dancing, you are not supposed to be blocking them. You are not supposed to even be there. You are not supposed to even spray them money at that point. Somebody asked me once if they want to spray money, would you tell them no? MC is supposed to announce there is time for spraying money. That is not the time for spraying money. That is the time for just the couples. Let them do their slow dance. As they are doing that dance, that's the time where you see fog, you see fireworks. If you start blocking them and start spraying money, you spoil the pictures. We too, we should learn from the civilized world. If you are not civilized, if you are in a place where you are not civilized like our side, you should learn from them. Check out pictures that people are spraying money where they are doing that bridal dance. Check out that picture and also check out a picture where people are not there when they are dancing and they are dancing alone. You will love the picture when they are alone because that moment is just for the both of them. This particular video is not just for photographers, it's for everybody that wants to do events and as event planners also. Peace.